Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World, and I got another awesome watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. Now this one is nice. This one is by My Gallery and I'm loving the new flavor she's adding to her lineup. She never ceases to amaze. Please do not miss out on her creations. Now, the name of the watch face is called Swiss Plus. I like this. This is more so going to be a dress up watch face. It has an elegant look to it. And yes, you can dress down in this watch face as well. So let's see what the watch face offers. First of all, in the AOD mode, it's going to look super nice. I like the look of this analog watch face. But when it's on, very detailed, definitely has a nice, elegant analog look to it. But up at the top, you're going to get info on your battery percentage. If you look in the dial to your left, that's going to be your battery info. And the dial to your right is going to be your wind direction information. And I've been seeing this a little bit in watch faces. I like it. And if you look down at the bottom, of course, you're going to get your month, your date, and the day of the week. But I'm loving the detailing of this watch face. I love the look of the index as well. And you get a nice ticking second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, right? But check this out. Now you get 9 different daytime watch faces, right? And you're gonna get 5 night modes. So let's check them out. I'm telling you, she outdid herself, and the colors are beautiful. This video isn't gonna do it justice. Definitely you gotta see this thing in person. She really did an excellent job with this watch face. I love this blue. Again, the blue looks a lot richer in person. But I'm telling you, this one is definitely worth the download and having your line up. And here's your night mode for the most part. But let's go through. I like that red. That blue looks awesome. Ah, this orange looks beautiful. She really outdid herself with this one. I like it, people. I like it. But again, always is up to you. What did you think about this watch face? Hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on this one. And make sure you check out her page because she has a host of watch faces that are worthy of a download. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're enjoying your day. And if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.